Hey everybody, I'm Mark, and today on Make Your Mark, we are making some funky fabric flowers using a bunch of stuff I just have left over in my craft bin. And I know a lot of you have a big box of craft supplies that you don't know what to do with. This is the perfect project. And I'm putting these flowers together with my SureBonder glue gun, and I'm gonna leave a link below in the description to all of my favorite SureBonder products because I really love them. Now before I forget, thumbs up if you like this video, and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hi. And you know how much I love it when you stop by and say hello. I really do. Are you ready? Let's make some fabric flowers. If you don't have sticky felt like I do, consider using another scrap of fabric or a piece of denim from an old pair of jeans. Whatever you have. If you don't have large gemstones, try using buttons or some old broken jewelry pieces. You can turn these flowers into pins, use them to decorate a gift, or turn them into award ribbons for your next competition. Use whatever you have for this project in your craft bin. It'll all look amazing, I promise. Thumbs up if you like this video. Leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and press that notification bell so you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books. I'm gonna leave a link below in the description so you can find them, and I will see you next week. Bye.